Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something super special for all you beautiful iconic girls out there. I'm sharing 12 natural beauty tips that every teenage girl needs to know. If you don't speak English, remember to activate the subtitles, which are available in all languages. Here's how. So, enjoy the video. Let's dive right into it. Here are the tips. Oatmeal mask. Mix water and oatmeal in a bowl and let it sit for about 15 minutes until it forms a creamy texture. Apply this to your face and leave it on for 20 minutes. This mask will make your skin softer and smoother, and it provides a set of natural antioxidants that prevent premature aging. Wash your hair with cold water. Washing your hair with cold water helps close the pores, preventing your hair from dehydrating easily. This will make your hair look strong and shiny, and also help reduce frizz and volume. Hair oiling. Hair oiling promotes circulation and oxygenation of your scalp. It nourishes your hair while you relax, and it gives your hair a spectacular shine. Chamomile tea. Use cooled chamomile tea bags as compresses to reduce dark circles and puffiness around your eyes. Aloe vera. Apply aloe vera gel directly from the plant to calm and heal irritated or sunburned skin. Trust me, your skin will become super soft and look more toned. It also works as a hair mask. Cucumber toner. Blend a cucumber and strain the juice. Use a cotton pad to apply the juice to your face as a toner. Cucumber has refreshing properties and helps reduce inflammation. You can cut makeup remover pads in half, put them in a jar with cucumber juice, and keep them in the fridge. Use a pair each morning under your eyes to reduce and soothe dark circles. Lemon water in the morning. Drinking lemon water in the morning helps with satiety and aids digestion. It's great for your skin due to its high antioxidant content. It increases citrate levels in your body, helping prevent and treat kidney stones. Honey, egg white, and almond oil mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 egg whites, and a few drops of almond oil. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 20 minutes. This mask is very hydrating due to the natural enzymes in honey, and it helps regenerate the skin and improve acne. Eat carrots. Eating lots of carrots will help you achieve glowing skin, and if consumed frequently, can help prevent acne. It will also improve the appearance of your hair. Ice on your face. Always use a cloth when applying ice to your face to avoid dryness or redness. You can do this in the morning all over your face, even on your pimples, as it helps reduce inflammation. It also helps diminish under eye bags. Hibiscus water. Drinking hibiscus water helps improve digestion, aids in natural weight loss, and is excellent for those days when you have menstrual cramps. Castor oil for lashes. To have long and thick lashes, you can use castor oil, but be cautious. Don't apply it from the roots as it can cause pimples. Apply it at night, and the first thing you do the next morning is wash your face thoroughly, especially the eye area. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you try them out. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!